Welcome to our instructional video on solving inequalities. Today, we will be solving the inequality 7k minus 4 is less than or equal to 24. We will go through step by step and make sure to provide the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Let's begin. To solve the inequality 7k minus 4 is less than or equal to 24, we start by isolating the variable k on one side. Begin by adding 4 to both sides of the inequality. This step ensures that we are working to get k by itself. When we do this, the inequality changes from 7k minus 4 is less than or equal to 24 to 7k minus 4 plus 4 is less than or equal to 24 plus 4. Simplifying both sides, we get 7k is less than or equal to 28. This completes the first step. In interval notation, if we solve for k completely, k will be less than or equal to a certain number. But for now, focus on understanding that after adding 4 to both sides, the inequality now reads 7k is less than or equal to 28. Next, we need to isolate the variable k by removing the coefficient of 7. To do this, we divide both sides of the inequality by 7. This step ensures that we solve for k by itself. When we divide both sides by 7, the inequality changes from 7k is less than or equal to 28 to k is less than or equal to 28 divided by 7. Simplifying the right side, we get k is less than or equal to 4. This is because 28 divided by 7 equals 4. So the final inequality is k is less than or equal to 4. In interval notation, this solution is written as negative infinity to 4, with 4 included because it is less than or equal to. This finishes the problem because we have completely isolated k. So the solution to the inequality is k is less than or equal to 4. In interval notation, the solution is negative infinity to 4 with 4 included. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.